Hey everyone, I'm here today with a gift guide video. I have not filmed a gift guide video in forever. I remember doing this like every year around Christmas. I used to do them for Mother's Day, Father's Day. Like I used to do gift guides all the time. So it's been a hot minute, but I asked you guys on Instagram if you'd be interested in a like $50 and under and then a $25 and under gift guide. And I think I have some good things here that you guys will like. These are things that could be, most of them could be men or women. And I think pretty much most ages. Obviously, like a lot of these you wouldn't get a kid, but these are like things you can get your brothers, sisters, moms, dads, husbands, wives, boyfriends, girlfriends, grandma, cousin. I mean, a lot of these you'll see that you can give to anybody. And there are a few like kid-ish things. Well, one of them is definitely a kid thing. But yeah, anyways, if you are new, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys enjoy. Decide to stay a while. Hit that subscribe button before you leave and give this video a thumbs up. And we're gonna get into the $25 and under gift guide. So a lot of these things I'm gonna be posting like a little photo if I don't have them physically here. Most of these things I own and it's either too difficult to bring them upstairs or one reason or another. But I'll show you a picture so you know exactly what I'm talking about. The first thing is a luggage scale. This was something I actually recently bought for us before our Disney trip because I'm an overpacker and I always end up like having to take stuff out of my bag, transfer things around. And I was like, you know what? I really should just get like a luggage scale that I can use before we leave and then take with us, that's small enough to take with us. So when we're flying back, I can make sure that everybody is balanced and under 50 pounds. So I actually loved it so much that I bought this for my parents, my sister, and Ted's parents. So this is what it looks like. They're right around the $10 mark and it has basically a little hook and you just hook it on to your suitcase and then you hold onto this part right here. And when you lift it up, the scale will tell you how much your luggage is. And it's very accurate. I mean, I weighed mine and I think it was like maybe less than half of a pound different than what the scale at the airport showed. So I love this. I think it's a great gift. My parents travel all the time. They like every year they go on a 3-week vacation to some other country and they're always traveling. So I thought this would be super helpful for them. And my sister and her husband live in Hawaii. I thought this would be helpful for them because they travel to see us. And I mean, if you travel and you overpack, this is a wonderful gift. The next one are these slippers I'm wearing. I got these from Target. Now I have been eyeing the UGG ones. They're about $90. And I saw these on Target and I was like, oh my gosh, those look just like the UGG ones. They have the like real bottom so you could wear these outside. I wanted something that I could wear outside to let Finn out to go potty and, or if I need to like walk outside for whatever reason, take out the trash. I don't want to have to always put on other shoes. So I wanted something that I could wear if it's raining out, but also just wear in the house. And these are perfect. They're so comfy. I'm usually a 6.5. I got a size 7. They're so furry inside. I bought 2 pairs. This one is from the brand Stars Above. And then the other one is more of the, like this one's soft fuzzy. The other one that I bought is more of the Uggs type of fuzz in the inside, which it's like fuzzy but not as soft as this. These ones are about $19.99. The other ones are $34.99, and I honestly prefer the $19.99 ones better. Super, super soft. I absolutely love these. I've been wearing them nonstop. They're so cozy and warm, and I think it'd be a great gift for all the reasons that I said, plus they're like super cute and cozy. Now, if you have not seen my Amazon favorites, I highly recommend checking it out. You guys seem to have really loved that video. I'm gonna do an Amazon like favorites for kid products very soon. But watch bands, I have them in like gray, I have bright yellow. These range from like $2.99 to like $25. This one was the more expensive one, right at that $25 mark. Then they have these ones, which are really cute. So you can get different metal ones, different leather ones. I purchased a few of the leather ones for my brother-in-law because I know how much he loves his Apple Watch, and he had been saying that he wanted to try get to have different bands for them. So I like that you can dress them up, accessorize. You can get the little bumpers for them too. Very inexpensive. If you want a lot of really good Amazon recommendations, I'll make sure to link that video. Actually, I'll link it right here. It's a great recommendation video, if I do say so myself. All right, the next is this. This is newer. I actually bought it for myself, and now I'm gonna buy one for my mom. Again, she likes to travel a lot. I actually might buy one for Ted's mom too, but it's a light pink. They have all different colors. It's quilted, and it's a jewelry holder. So you can store all your jewelry. They have lots of different colors, lots of different brands make it. I actually really like this one. It seems very like well made and sturdy. So you have the little button clasps here, and you can tuck in your necklaces so they don't get tangled. You have a little pouch here for, you know, hoop earrings or whatever. You have this little thing to put all your studs in, and then you can put bracelets or rings on these, and then you have another little zipper pocket. So it's just super small, travel friendly. You can store all your jewelry. I have never had anything to store my jewelry before, so my necklaces get tangled up, they get tangled in my earrings, everything just is a hot mess, and this just keeps it really nice and organized. So if you have somebody in your life that travels a lot and wears a lot of jewelry, I think they would love something like this. All right, the next, this was also in my Amazon favorites, is the colorful Koala Leggings. If you have a friend who loves to wear leggings like me, or if they love to work out, I think that they would love these leggings. Now, I was thinking about buying my sister Lululemon leggings because she's never had a pair, but I started thinking and I'm like, you know what? These feel just as nice as the Align leggings, and I could buy her more pairs, different colors, and she could wear them to work. She could, and not feel bad about like if something happened to them, because she owns a brew pub on Oahu in Mililani, and so she is constantly like working in a restaurant environment, but she wears black leggings all the time. So these are so nice. I'm wearing them right now. That's why I keep touching my legs. And they're so nice. You can get them with the pockets in the side. You can get different designs, different colors, 7/8 length, long, crop, shorts. They are so great quality, squat proof. I love them. I have them in probably 10 different colors, maybe even more than that actually. I have them in all different colors, all different prints. I absolutely love them. Again, if you have somebody who loves wearing great quality leggings, or they love to work out and you want to get them some new fun leggings, new prints, or something that they could just wear every day, like a nice basic black, I highly, highly recommend them. All right, the next is actually a gift I'm getting my sister, and it is the tile. It hasn't came in yet, but I love my sister, but she, like in the past, has misplaced her keys or her wallet now and again. And so if you have somebody who either like maybe loses stuff really easily, or maybe they're like a new mom and like their kids take their keys or hide their stuff, the tile is really cool because you can actually just like clip it to their keychain, clip it to your wallet, clip it to like any type of gear, camera, whatever, and you can find it from your iPhone or your Android. If you don't have an iPhone, you can actually, if you have the tile, it will find your phone. It's just a really cool way to find things if you know somebody who either loses stuff often, or they have kids that like to hide their things, or anything like that. I think it's just such a cool gift. You can buy, I think, one single one for about $14.99, and then obviously if you want to buy bigger bundles, it's going to take you over the $25 mark. But if you wanted to do something just like really cool that helps them not lose their keys or their wallet or whatever, you can buy just one or two of them. And I just think it's a really neat way to still find your things if you are forgetful or you lose them, or, you know, life happens to your stuff. Next is kind of a fun one that is for like the whole family. We love to give games during Christmas because it's a fun thing that we could do as a family. It's a great way to like be off of electronics and spend family time that's not necessarily watching a movie. So a few of the games that we love are apples to apples if we're playing with our kids, or if we're playing with like our parents or something like that, because it's very friendly. It's not inappropriate. Headbands is another great one. If we're playing with our friends where we're like a little bit more comfortable and you like to have like a little bit more inappropriate humor, Cards Against Humanity is hysterical. But obviously if you get offended easily, or you aren't into slightly to really inappropriate things, I would stay away from those. Do apples to apples, and then the more like raunchy version would be Cards Against Humanity. Or another one is that we played this Thanksgiving, which was really fun, is Most Likely To. It's pretty family friendly. There are some cards. There's probably about, I don't know, 50 cards or so that we pulled out that would not be appropriate for Ethan to hear, or be appropriate, you know, for like our parents, it'd be kind of weird. But it was a super fun game, and you just have to be a little bit self-deprecating in that game, but it's super fun. Also, if you love escape rooms, we have this one that's an escape room game, and you don't get the full experience of an escape room, but it's a really fun game that you have to try to solve much like an escape room. You have different clues. It's super, super fun. So I will link all of those down below. We love giving games. I think it's a great thing that you can give a family member or a friend and then make it a tradition to do like a game night once a month or every other week or something with your friends. We really love it, and I think it's a really fun gift to give. Here's another one that is like, I kind of thought about this. I'm like, you know what, that would actually have been like a cool gift to get, even though we already have it, is the Disney Plus subscription. Now, I believe it's like $7.99 a month. So you could buy a few months, or I don't know, maybe they have gift cards. I'd have to look into that. But I think that would be a really cool gift to give somebody, is like a 6-month subscription to Disney Plus, or obviously you want, if we're talking about under $25, it'd be about a 3-month subscription. But it gives them access to all the Disney movies and Marvel movies and Star Wars, and I just think it'd be a cool way for them to like get a taste of it and see if they would like it. And it's a fun gift to give, because who doesn't want to like watch those old Disney movies? So that was just kind of like a bonus one I threw in here, because I do have more than 10, but I just think that would be a really fun one. The next is just like kind of an easy stocking stuffer type gift, and it's if it's for men, this could be for women too, but if it's for men, like Ted loves the Jack Black lip balms. So they have all these little gift sets that are under $25. They have like 2 or 3 of the lip balms. That's Ted's favorite lip balm. He uses it every day, all day. He's been using it for years now that I've gotten him hooked on it. And then if you are a girl and you want to do something a little fun, the Laneige Sleeping Lip Mask is my favorite, and it lasts a really, really long time. They have a few different limited edition flavors out. They have a vanilla one, which I think might be permanent now, the normal berry one, and then the limited edition one is the mint choco. So I just think those are really fun, and your lips, it's practical and it smells good and it's nice to put on every day, and it's just a fun gift. It's something I use every single day, and it's something Ted uses every day. So it's something that I would definitely get some use out of. Okay, the next are these custom rings, which I'm gonna link a picture of the ones I have. I cannot for the life of me find where my rings are since I moved. So I have to look and see if it's in I don't know where it's at. So I got these from Ted's mom 2 Christmases ago, and I love them, and I don't know where they're at. So I will link a picture. It's from Etsy, and you can get them with your kids' names. You can get them with your husband's name, special dates, like whatever you want to put on them. And they're just beautiful little dainty custom rings. And I think it's just such a nice gift to give like a mom in your life, to give a sister, to give your mom. You could do so many different things. So I really like that. I love little custom gifts like that. So I will link those and obviously show you guys a picture of what mine look like. Another gift is these little necklaces. So this is just a bar necklace, and it has Ethan and Olivia's name on it. Again, you can get whatever. You can get your anniversary date. You can get, or their anniversary date. You can get their birthday, their kids' names, whatever you want to do. I just love, or like a little saying. Maybe you guys have something that you like, some little saying. I have another one of these that Laura, Mrs. Lola Lynn, also got me that says, "You're my person." So these are just great little heartfelt custom gifts that I just like. I love these. And then the last one is another custom gift, and it's these. These are about $20. They are little key necklaces with a word on it. So this one says inspire. This one says be loved. The Giving Key also makes these. I have some Giving Key ones, but I actually really like, and I love the message of the Giving Key. But I also really like this brand called Wildflower off of Etsy. I've been buying these from them for years now, and I've given probably 15, 20 of these key necklaces to friends in the past, but I love it. You can pick whatever word makes you think of that person and give it to them, and then when they feel like they've gotten the meaning of it, then they can pass it on or keep it forever, and I just really like it. This one in Be Loved is the one that Ted got me. And then Inspire, I probably bought myself, because I have bought myself quite a few of these necklaces. But I think they're great gifts. They're very like meaningful, and just really think about the person you're giving it to, and like what word like is put on your heart for that person, or what kind of encouragement they might need, or I just think it's really cool. So I think this is a great gift idea, and they're about $20. The Giving Key ones are quite a bit more expensive, but you also get to pick the length of the chain and what color chain, and they have quite a few options too. So this one's obviously like the longer chain, but that is it for my gift guide, $25 and under. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will be filming a $50 and under gift guide as well. What are some of your gift recommendations under $25? Leave them in the comments below. That way we all have more ideas of what we can get for our family and friends this holiday season. And I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.